All right, welcome back. So in this lecture, we're going to talk about the crop tool. So I'm going to do File, Save, to make sure we save our progress here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to do a crop of the little kitten here. So you can see here we have these little markers all the way around. And one way to do it is you can just drag them all this way. And then we can crop out everything except for the cute little kitten here. All right, so I'm going to save that, and then let's do File, New, and I'm going to do Photo, default Photoshop size, and I'm going to go to the desktop here and right-click on the little kitten here, and we're going to open him in Illustrator, in Photoshop. Okay, so I'm going to close this out, and then let's try that one more time here. So I'm going to right-click on him, Open With, and we're going to do Photoshop, and so I'm going to hit Control-A, unlock this layer, hit Control-A, Control-C, and then go to Untitled 1 and hit Control-V. And I'm going to hit the E key and erase the background so that we have just the white cat there for the most part. Okay. I'm going to do File, Save As, and we're going to save this as Untitled 12. Hit Save, and I'll hit OK. And now what we're going to do is we're going to crop him out. So I'll show you how this looks when you use the crop tool. If I just click and drag, then I can crop out everything around it and just focus, just get to the focal point here of just doing that right there. Okay, so that's the crop tool. Now the perspective crop tool is kind of like I want to say that it crops an image to correct distortions caused by perspective. Okay, so it's the same idea. You can, okay, so we can do that. And then if you click on the check mark, then it's going to crop it. All right. The next thing is the slice tool. So if we were going to optimize this for the web, we would slice this into one slice and then optimize that for the web. Okay. And that's the slice tool. Now the slice select tool is going to let me select slices. So in this case, we only have one, but if we had another slice, then you could select it there. All right. So that's the crop tool, the perspective crop tool, the slice tool, and the slice select tool. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.